Welcome to this tutorial on how to upload images to Shopify, a crucial step in creating an online store that showcases your products in the best possible light. Uploading high-quality images is essential for attracting customers and driving sales. First, log into your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the Products section. Click on the product for which you want to upload an image. In the Product Details page, scroll down to the Media section. This is where you can add images and videos to your product. To upload an image, click the Add Media button. A new window will open, allowing you to select the image file from your computer. Choose the image you want to upload and click Open. Shopify supports several image file formats, including JPG, PNG, and GIF. Once the image is uploaded, you can add alt text and a description to the image. Alt text is important for search engine optimization and accessibility, as it provides a text description of the image for customers who are using screen readers. The description field can be used to add additional information about the image, such as the product name or a brief description. After adding the image, you can adjust the image settings. You can set the image as the main product image, or add it to a gallery of images. You can also adjust the image size and cropping. Best practices for uploading images to Shopify include using high-quality images that are clear and well lit, and optimizing your images for web use by compressing them to reduce file size. This will help improve page load times and enhance the overall customer experience. Finally, click Save to upload the image to your Shopify store. Your image will now be live on your website, and customers can view it when browsing your products. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a visually appealing online store that showcases your products and drives sales.